started without me?
Well, you took too long.
I can't help it. I had to get a good price on diesel fuel.
This is mine.
$3.19 a gallon.
This is mine.
That's yours?
And they're doing mine now.
And they're doing yours?
Super colorful, right?
So you're going to do mine too?
I'm
Or did
giving
you already
you
do it?
yours. I'm doing yours.
You're doing mine?
And it's going to be all black.
Okay.
Colton, you're squashing me.
Yeah, you kids are messy. Is that stuff stained? Do we have to worry about
Guess
that?
we'll find out.
I want to do
I don't
Papa's.
know what other color we want now. We're on a mission.
So what do we do here? We just put a rubber band around a shirt
Pretty much.
and we just throw all kinds of color on it.
That's what we're doing.
And then what do we do with it?
Say we're winging it, right?
We're winging
And you
it?
put it in water.
We're winging
You
it.
put it in water?
We gotta let it sit.
You gotta let it set? How long you gotta let it set, Kylie?
6 to 8 hours.
6 to 8 hours?
Yeah, we're winging it.
Oh my
Probably
god.
not the best idea to have two toddlers.
Are we gonna have this done before bedtime?
Probably not.
You gonna stay up late tonight?
What are we doing now?
Yes.
Say we
Yes,
stay
gonna stay up late
every
tonight?
night when Rara and Papa are in.
Yeah. Yeah, I took the boys out. And we played outside today and they decided to swim in a mud puddle. Yeah, it's pretty nasty. Should have seen her mother when she came home. She was pissed. See, she's trying to blow it off right now, but she was pissed.
I mean, they weren't colored in markers, so
But you know what?
Marker like the last time.
But I was,
Remember that, William?
yeah, I know.
Or remember
But
that,
I was
Papa?
able to play on my phone the whole time and be a good grandparent and made the kids happy. So I think it was a plus, right? Was it a positive day?
Well,
No.
nobody's
I
dead,
want
so
to do
we're good.
Papa's.
Nobody's dead. I didn't lose a dog. The truck got clean. It was a good day.
Where's Papa's?
Where's my shirt?
What color are we gonna do
I want to do
now?
Papa's.
Is that my shirt?
No,
I
that
want
one's
to do
mine.
Papa's.
Oh,
I want to do Papa's.
all right. Well, she wants hers done first. Do mom's first.
Are we done? Is this colorful enough for you?
Looks pretty colorful. Just
What
give
do
him
you
the
think?
other one. Let him go to town.
I think he puts more on it. See a lot of white.
Have any of you guys ever done this before?
No.
No?
Why are we
Kylie?
doing it?
Have you ever done it?
Yeah, for a baby shower.
For a baby shower? And why are we doing this?
Carter has tie-dye day at school tomorrow.
So he has to bring this shirt to school tomorrow.
Yes, I wear it.
He has to wear it tomorrow. Boy, I hope it's not too ugly.
It's gonna be beautiful.
Hey,
Alright.
it's gonna be cool.
It's going to be cool.
It'll be cool.
Are we done? Are we colorful enough? I guess not.
Let me continue.
Can I do
Rub it
Papa's?
all in.
Look at my wife. She did box hair color because she was getting a little gray, huh, Robin?
Really? We're gonna go
And
there?
we're gonna go
You
there.
didn't even know. That's how observant you are.
I don't.
Husband.
I love you no matter what.
Yeah, whatever. You had no idea.
I didn't. Till you come out there, like you had a smile on your face, and I thought she's smiling. What did I do?
I got rid of all the blonde.
You got rid of all the blonde, and then you got it all back to your original color for now. Till next month, right?
Till next month when
Okay.
I see my lady.
When you see your hairdresser.
You're going to wear that tomorrow. All of us are going to wear it.
Oh,
Really?
matching
No,
one?
I gotta go see Grandma tomorrow.
No, afterwards.
Oh, afterwards.
When we have
Yeah.
what do we have?
Tie-dye day tomorrow.
We have tie-dye day
Tie-dye day
tomorrow,
tomorrow.
and you have t-ball practice.
Oh.
So we can all wear tie-dye to t-ball
And
practice.
see, when we got here, the weather got nice. It went from snowstorm to 65 today and 70 tomorrow. Right? Right?
75.
All right.
It got worse because you were coming.
No, it
75.
I got rid of the bad weather, but we'll be back as soon as these shirts are done. I'm sure we're gonna all put them on and, you know, display them to YouTube and the whole world, right? Girls, boys, everybody?
We're gonna do great.
We're gonna do great. Okay, we'll be back. You get to look at these things. Hope to God they're not too ugly. Oh, they can't because the boys made them. They'll be perfect.
Exactly.
I was babysitting because the kids are playing in the mud, and I'm gonna let them get all dirty and nasty. So when their mother comes home, she can clean them up. The joys of being. I've been informed that everybody's wearing their new shirts. So let's find out. Wow, look at them shirts. Why is yours so big?
They didn't have my size.
They didn't have your size? Well, look at this. Mine is the best looking one here. Robin was telling me that I was talking bad. I can wear mine every day. It even fits me perfect.
You have
like
to
yours?
wash it.
I already did wash it.
It's already washed. Fits me absolutely perfect.
Doesn't fit me.
Yeah.
Got like every color going down the middle.
Look at this. I mean, you couldn't ask for a better shirt. It was like I made it myself.
I made it.
You made it? I don't know if you did or not, but we'll find out.
I did.
We're waiting for Robin to come down, so. And be prepared, folks, because Robin does not look her best in the morning. Because it's early. It's like real early.
I'm going up there.
Go get her.
Right there.
Yeah?
Go, then you wait down here, buddy. You love your shirt?
Colton, you love your shirt?
I don't know.
Colton, you love your shirt?
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks like pajamas, but yeah.
It's Rara here.
Yeah, Rara's coming. She's slow. She don't even function before 8.
And Daddy's
Look at that. Here comes Robin.
here. Daddy's also slow. Here.
Your daddy's slow too?
Yes.
I don't know. Robin says that I jinxed everybody and gave everybody rotten shirts. I think mine looks awesome. Look at this. It was like we planned this.
What do you think, Colton?
Pretty cool.
Come here.
Come on up here. Come up here, Carter.
Oh, up and
Oh, you need to go up higher stairs.
You're a little shorty.
Okay, so what are these things that we're wearing?
Tie-dye shirts.
Tie-dye shirts, and why did we make these tie-dye shirts?
Because it's tie-dye day at school today.
That's tie-dye day at school today.
In kindergarten.
In kindergarten, so this is what we did. So, if they like this video, what do? Thumbs up,
Like and subscribe.
and like and subscribe.
Good job.
Good job.
Thanks for watching.
What are you doing, Carter?
I'm making a river.
You look like you're making a mud bath for both you and your brother.
I'm making a river.
Making a river, okay.
Where's my face right?
Group family effort, right? Everybody love their shirts. Love your shirts? Yes? You're gonna be the best looking kid in school? Maybe. All right.